Good evening, I'm Randy Aldridge. Of course, tomorrow is an exciting day for us here at WWAY and for New Hanover Regional Medical Center. It's time for our annual health fair. It's filled with all types of health-related vendors, including staff from NHRMC Rehabilitation Center. This is Kara Jarbo here to tell us about something that I did. Hi, how are you?
Very good.
Thanks for being here.
Yes,
So I didn't really realize this is a thing. You're talking about balance tomorrow and how important that is to health in general. But tell us exactly, you're doing a special test tomorrow. Tell me about what's happening.
Sure. Tomorrow we're going to be doing some balance screening. We have at New Hanover Regional Medical Center a computerized balanced manager that can help us look at how people can specifically shift their weight and maintain their balance. And it gives us some data, some good information to help us look at how people can prevent falls for themselves.
Okay, when you say a balance manager, what is that?
So it's a computerized force plate that helps us to look at how an individual shifts their weight and maintains their balance while shifting their weight. And it gives us some good data to help compare them against people who don't fall. That's what we want.
Okay, so tomorrow you just will be stepping on a plate or stepping on something, and that'll tell you what you need to know?
You'll be working with a physical therapist, and we will be talking with you about all of the things that contribute to your balance. Balance, shifting your weight, maintaining your standing balance is
makes
one
me sit up
thing.
straight.
That's right, makes us all sit straight. It's one way. We also use different information. We use information from our vision, our sensation from our legs. We use information from our inner ear. And talking with the physical therapist can help you figure out where maybe you might be having some difficulty with that.
And that's something to be very conscious of, even, or especially as we age.
Absolutely, absolutely. Falls can happen to any of us, but particularly as we age, we are at more risk for injuring ourselves with falls. $21 billion a year annually is spent in the U.S. related to falls.
Wow.
And at New Hanover Regional Medical Center, we've noticed a trend over the past 5 years where we've had a 5% increase every year for the past 5 years in emergency room visits related to falls. In fact, we treated 1,300 people last year about related to falls. So we want to help our community be healthier. We want to help them prevent those falls.
So your test tomorrow will give some insight into how people are with their balance. Once you do this, will you be directing them like, okay, here's your next step?
Absolutely, absolutely. We certainly want to encourage healthy movement. We want to encourage being able to exercise, and we can give some general information, and of course, referring people to talk to their physicians about medicines or talk to a physical therapist further and get a further evaluation. That information will be there tomorrow.
Perfect. Yet another great reason to join us tomorrow at Independence Mall in Wilmington. Thanks very much for sharing all of this.
Yes.
And for all of you at home, do not forget, it is the WWAY Health Fair tomorrow, sponsored by New Hanover Regional Medical Center. It's from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. at Independence Mall in Wilmington. You can check out health-related vendors like Kara right here. You can meet with the WWAY team, and you can also watch WWAY News at noon live from Center Court at the mall.